Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't uploaded for a while, but it's okay because today we have a very special video. We have my first ever clay tutorial. Yeah, I'm sure you're very excited because you had no idea this was happening. But I have made a lot of clay stuff in the past. I have had it in my description, gaming and clay, for a while. It's just I always forget to record it when I do my clay. But this time I didn't. And we have a whole clay tutorial for you. And so here is what we will be creating today. The DOOMSDAY device from Fortnite Battle Royale. Personally, this is one of my favorite creations I have done, only because it's like on a bigger scale. And it did take me a while because I had to get the shapes right for the feet. So I had to work that out before I started recording because I didn't want it to take forever. But with the videos, recording it took quite a while. But with it sped up like it is now, it shouldn't take very long. But this has been a pretty long intro, but if you do like this creation and you would like to make your own, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more of this stuff, or just want to see more random videos of creative stuff, which I'll be uploading soon, but this one will probably come out first. The more random crap like that, then make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a time when I upload. I don't upload very often, but you'll want to see when I do because I'm going to start editing my videos more, which means my channel's kind of about to evolve for the better, in my opinion. I think my new intro that I've made is pretty cool, but you guys will see that in my new gameplay video that I'm currently editing. It is going to be a creative tutorial. It's on a hot dog diner, but I'm not going to get too into that because this is the clay video. But I hope you guys like this, and let's just get right into the tutorial.